natin, Kuya MJ.
Let's go!
Ayan. Kuya Mark, ano ba ang writ of amparo?
Ang writ of amparo, it is a special remedy. Remedy available sa lahat ng tao. Remedy available whose right to life, right to liberty, and security is violated. Pag na-violate yung right to life, liberty, or security, or there is a threat to violate it by the government officials, government employee, or agents, even private individual, yun ang tinatawag na writ of amparo. Writ of amparo, amparar in Spanish, or it means to protect. Ang ibig sabihin, ang ating government may obligasyon na protektahan ang karapatan ng bawat Pilipino, lalo na pag na-violate na yung right to life, right to liberty, and right to security. Ano yung tinatawag na right to life, MJ? Right to life includes right to feel safe. Right na walang nang gulo sa buhay mo. Right na kinabukasan baka guluhin yung bahay mo. Yun tinatawag na right to life and right to security. Hindi kailangan ng may violation. Right? May violation to right to life, liberty, or security. Hindi kailangan na, it's not only violation lang. Even threat to the violation of the right to life, liberty, or security, yan. Pwede ka